Welcome back. Thank you for staying with CNN News 18. Now we are getting a breaking input from Karnataka and a big relief for Siddaramaiah. High Court has dismissed petition seeking CBI probe in Muda scam. High Court has said that the material on record nowhere indicates that Lokayukta probe is partisan. So remember, the Muda scam is something that was being investigated by Lokayukta, and the BJP in Karnataka were in fact accusing the partisan manner in which the entire case was being investigated by Lokayukta, and after which there was of course a petition that was filed in High Court where the petitioner demanded that there needs to be a CBI investigation against Siddaramaiah in the Muda scam. And now what we are hearing is that the High Court has given a big relief to the entire to the Karnataka Chief Minister, where they have said that only Lokayukta is going to investigate the entire matter. Now, it has also said that nowhere it indicates that the Lokayukta probe is partisan in any manner. So this is a big relief that is coming in for the Karnataka Chief Minister, where the High Court has dismissed a petition. Remember, the petition was filed that there needs to be a CBI investigation into the entire matter. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Harish Upadhyay. Harish, big relief that is coming in for the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Take us through the observations that were made by the court today.
Well, one of the most crucial observations made in this order is the Karnataka High Court has said that the material on record doesn't suggest that the Lokayukta and its probe has been partisan. Remember, that has been one of the major claims of Snehamai Krishna and his counsel, that the Lokayukta was not doing a fair job, and the officers report to the state government and there can't be a fair probe, and that was one of their main arguments. The Lokayukta had submitted a report, in fact, their report to the Karnataka High Court, to Justice Nagaprasanna bench, and after going through all that, the Karnataka High Court has now quashed this or dismissed this petition by Snehamai Krishna seeking a CBI probe, saying that the material on record doesn't indicate that there has been a shoddy probe or a partisan probe. So a very clear message coming in from the Karnataka High Court, a huge relief for CM Siddaramaiah. Now what happens is the Lokayukta is now free to submit its report to the special court. Remember, the special court for people representatives is hearing this case. That's the court that ordered a Lokayukta probe. So the Lokayukta will submit its report to the special court, and then the special court can decide how to go about it. And what is found in that report is also something that would be very crucial. So partial relief for Siddaramaiah, because if the High Court had allowed a CBI probe, then you would have seen a situation where the CBI would have registered a FIR and Siddaramaiah and his wife could have been called in for questioning. That's not happening right now. Remember, the Lokayukta has already questioned the Chief Minister, his wife and his brother-in-law, all of them. They will submit a report to the special court. Has to be seen what's in that report, what has the Lokayukta found in its probe. But at least for now, no CBI probe is what it indicates. At least that's what the High Court has said. It goes back to the lower court. At the same time, let's not forget, there is another petition before the Karnataka High Court that has challenged the ED notice. And with the CBI probe not being allowed, what happens to the ED investigation, how the court takes a view of that, that is something that will play out in the coming few months. There is also another petition that has been moved by Siddaramaiah before a division bench that has questioned the governor's power to give prosecution for investigation. That's another hearing that will take place later in the month.
All right. Also, Harish, tell us about how the Congress government in Karnataka is reacting. Before that, we are getting another breaking input as far as Karnataka is concerned. Big relief for B.S. Yediyurappa in POXCO case as Karnataka High Court quashes FIR against him. All right, so big relief that is coming in for B.S. Yediyurappa. I'm going back to my colleague Harish on this. Harish, not just partial relief for Siddaramaiah, now big relief that is coming in for B.S. Yediyurappa also in the POXCO case.
Absolutely. Remember, the CID had filed a charge sheet in this case where where the former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa was accused of sexually assaulting a minor girl. And after that charge sheet was submitted, B.S. Yediyurappa had sought relief from the Karnataka High Court. That has been granted by the Karnataka High Court. Now, at the same time, you have the other parties, including the complainants, who've been given the option of going back to the lower court or challenging this decision as well. But at least temporary relief for B.S. Yediyurappa. This was a case that had embarrassed the party and also the leadership, because these were serious charges that were levelled against B.S. Yediyurappa. A lady had complained that when she had taken her minor daughter seeking help, B.S. Yediyurappa had sexually assaulted her, molested her inside his residence, and there were a few certain video clips also doing the rounds. But finally, there is relief for former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. Has to be seen how the petitioners, how the complainants now go about this whole case.
All right. Many thanks, Harish, for getting us all those details from Karnataka. So relief not just for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, but also to B.S. Yediyurappa in the POXCO case. With that, it's a wrap on this bulletin. More news and update on the other side with Akansha Swaroop. Stay tuned.